This is Joe Ceruto, a retired grocery store owner who now spends his days raising and breeding canaries all year round. In the summer months, Joe's bird population can reach anywhere from 100 to 200 birds. This is a lot of work for a 77-year-old, but Joe is devoted.
Allevare i canari è troppo lavoro, ma a me mi piace. La mattina a pulire le gabbie, dopo a darci da mangiare, cambiarci l'acqua, è troppo lavoro.
This narrow path can be a difficult task for Joe to walk in the wintertime. This is why before the fall season, Joe sells off most of his baby canaries to limit the amount of trips and time spent caring for the birds in the winter months. Raising and breeding canaries can cost Joe up to $200 a month in just food alone. Selling canaries not only makes the winter months easier on Joe, but it helps him buy food and supplies for his birds. Selling canaries can be quite profitable, with each bird ranging anywhere from $20 to $80.
Io non lo faccio per i soldi, lo faccio perché mi piace, mi passo il tempo. Io ci spendo 2 o 3 ore al giorno lì dentro, solo per sentirli che mi piace come cantano. E così mi passa la giornata più facile.
Even though Joe raises and breeds canaries, the European goldfinches are his favorite.
I gardellini mi piacciono assai perché li avevamo in Italia e quando eravamo piccoli ci prendevamo e mettevamo nella gabbia per cantare, non per fare allevamento.
For the past 3 years now, Joe has attempted to crossbreed a male European goldfinch with a female canary. The European goldfinch is actually a subspecies of the canary family. That is why it is possible to crossbreed them.
Voglio fare l'allevamento tra il cardellino e la canaria, che così voglio fare i muli. C'ho già 3 anni che ci provo, ma non mi è riuscito fino adesso perché sono troppo delicati.
Choosing a female canary to be a potential breeding partner for the European goldfinch is no easy task. Considering the size difference, the attitude of the birds is also a major factor. If the birds don't get along well with each other, the chances of them seriously injuring themselves is much higher than them actually breeding. This is why Joe must keep a very close eye to ensure the survival of both birds. For the 3rd year in a row, Joe has attempted to breed the European goldfinch with a canary. Even though he has been unsuccessful, he is confident that this summer will be the summer he finally achieves his goal.
Che i cardellini che ho sono proprio buoni e penserò che ci riuscirò.